Hello guys, welcome to the third video tutorial on Visual Basic. In this video I will show you how to use if statement in your Visual Basic, and I will also show you how to use text boxes and labels with your Visual Basic Windows Form Application project. So let's get started. First of all, I will take a label from here, and second thing, I will take a text box from my toolbox. So this is the text box, and I will take a button from the toolbox. So this is a button. Okay, and I will change the text of this button as check if statement. Okay, so it this button is going to check if statement, and this text box name is, just select this text box and you will be able to see this text box name is text box 1. So remember this, and the name of the label is label 1. You see here, name of the label is label 1, so you need to remember these two things. So just select your button and double click it once again, check if statement, and in here we are going to write if statement. So we write if, which is this if, and then we write the name of the text box, so write text box 1 and dot text, because we are going to take the text from the text box. So take the text. If your text box text is equal to, and let's give a condition, so we will give that if my text box text is equal to 1, for example, then what you will do is then, and it automatically ends the if condition, and the Visual Studio adds the code for ending the if condition. So whenever you initialize if condition, you need to give this end if to end the condition, and inside this if condition we are going to perform our code if this condition is true. So I will write label 1, which is the name of my label, dot text is equal to, and I will say on the label 1 I want to show the message 1. Okay, and for I will just copy the same code, and I will just go down below this end if condition, and I will paste it once again, and now I will say if my message text box dot text is equal to 2, then I will say this message is message 2. In the same way, I can just add one more line of condition, message 3 for 3. So now I will check what is the condition in the text box, and according to it you will be able to see the message. But before that, let's change the font of this text box so that you can see it, and the label font 16 bold, and the button font, sorry, which is 16. Okay, now you will be able to see all these things. When I run the program and when I say 1, I'm giving the condition in the text box 1, and when I click this check if statement, I see message 1. When I enter the condition 2, I see message 2, and when I enter the condition 3, I see the message 3. So in this way you can use if conditions with your Visual Basic Windows Form application. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.